What's up, you guys? Skylar Davis here, and today I'm going to teach you how to play Great Storm Clouds by Trevor on the ukulele. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so for this song, the chords you're going to need to know is a C, a G, an F, and an A minor. Okay, so the way this is for the intro and the little breakdown parts. So the strumming pattern is down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. So I'll say a little slower. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. And it starts on a C. The intro, and what I like to do is have it on a C, and then on the upstrokes, put my middle finger down on the 5th fret of the 1st string. So it should sound like this. So on the second strum pattern, and just place your middle finger down on the 5th. So. And now the verses are G to F to C. And so it should sound like this. Up and down it goes like a great wave across my own home. Then back to the intro. I've been learning to learn songs from the burly unknown. Like that. And now for the chorus, it goes from F to G to A minor to C, then F, G, C. So I'm going to say that one more time. F to G to A minor to C, back to F, G, C. And so that it should sound like this. Great storm clouds holding rain. It's part of nature to hold a bit of pain. All in all, that rain falls, and then we watch a new thing grow. Then to F, watch a new thing grow. And that is pretty much the whole song. So I hope that helps. If you have any more requests, please let me know. Peace.